Munching with Kay. I'm Kay and this is
Seanna.
Seanna. She get on my nerves. Look, 90s baby, 90s. Girl, boys, whoever watching, that girl was born 1999.
Okay, I'm taking that out because you don't even gotta do it.
No, leave it. Seanna,
She don't even gotta do it. Like,
I love her. That 90s baby. She almost 2000 baby.
okay, but I'm not.
Oh, you not, because you was in the beginning.
Exactly.
Aries, girl, y'all, these Aries, I love them though. Mwah. Aries. Okay, today we having some good. She get on my. Today we having some good old Haitian spaghetti.
Haitians don't call it Haitian spaghetti. They call it spaghetti. They
But
don't.
I call it Haitian spaghetti because this not the American style,
Yeah.
Italian style.
I'm just saying.
I'm letting them know it's the Haitian style spaghetti.
Yeah.
It's hot dog bacon, noodles, tomato paste, the celery, like the leaves from the celery. That's right.
Yeah.
Cut up onions. Okay, they eat hot dogs. I don't think they put bacon. My mom was married to a Haitian. Her husband was Haitian for many, many years. Yes, they divorced now, but she still has his last name. But she made this meal all the time for us. Seanna wasn't even born, and I don't think they put bacon in this. But this our style, ours. I can't even say it right. Our style spaghetti, how Haitians make it. But we gonna get to eating. We got good conversation for y'all. Let me start. Seanna, you serving your own self food. No? You know how to do it?
Find me a new mom.
I can't say I'm gonna find me a new daughter. Or I
You
want
always
another.
say you want another daughter.
Come on, boo. You want me to do it?
Yes, honey.
Okay. Y'all look, it's hot, nice and hot. Ooh, I can't see it's hanging.
She really don't supposed to be eating y'all.
Yeah, girl. I keep saying girl.
Bacon on there.
Oh, sorry, you just a lot of bacon in here. Okay, you can always get more.
I ain't got no meat.
Yes, you do. Do what you want to
Yeah,
do.
because you...
What's wrong with your arm? Oh my God, I forgot what I was gonna say. I can't.
This is why I don't like fish stuff.
I'm handicapped. No, I'm sorry. She's not. I'm not gonna
Oh
say
my
that.
God, it's just that this hand is like so...
Retarded, like.
twisted. It's nothing wrong
Oh, because
with
that's
it.
how that hand, your right hand is. She gonna pick all the bacon I'm eating over here.
First of all, she should have stopped me when I was a little girl. When if my kid twist their hand, I'm gonna put it back right.
No, I'm gonna let you be comfortable. What kind of mammy that is?
No, you just like if my child.
But what if they not comfortable like that?
Picking up with their left hand, I'm gonna put it in their right.
No, maybe they left-handed. Show you sound crazy. Oh no, I'm glad she ain't got no kids right now because the thing she's saying right now making me scared. I'm scared. Y'all, yesterday, she fed Kyla. Her mama, I don't know, she has these big nipples and we keep telling her don't. And I don't know why I ain't changed when I changed the nipple for Seanna. But the baby started throwing up and food was coming out her nose. Seanna said, I'm never feeding her again. So if her baby throw up and stuff's going on, I don't know what's gonna happen.
No, but that wouldn't happen to my baby because that ain't happening to Dre.
It's a lot going on. It's so much going on, y'all.
Dre never choked with me and I fed him all the time.
What the hell wrong? Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm cussing.
It's not.
Sorry, Sean. I'm been a bust your eyes out.
Not like I never took care of baby because I heard him.
Yeah, you did a good job with Dre.
They just don't know what they're doing with this baby.
Who don't know what they doing? Not me.
Mamas, daddies,
Yeah,
whoever.
Yeah, it's a lot.
And it ain't like I didn't birth her. I birthed her, and she
Yeah.
already threw up on me, like on the rag when I was birthing her. So I thought she was good. I ain't know. And it happened like what? An hour, 30 minutes later.
Y'all got some Crystal hot sauce. I love hot sauce on everything.
I'm like, I'm not feeding her no more because I ain't finna be responsible for no baby drowning.
Yeah, so she just don't want. You said no deaths in your room, boo.
Yeah.
I gotta get this good old hot sauce. Oh yeah, we drinking bottled water. Shauna don't care if we drinking, and she drinking pineapple aloe juice. Y'all, don't look under my armpits. I didn't use no hair. I ain't planning on putting this dress on. I don't know what I got going on, but forgive me, you guys. Okay, let me represent my boo Flavor Eats. Y'all, you know she doing her things. Got her lip gloss going, her face serum. Yes, and she has something else. Why I can't think straight right now? You would think I never look at her channel. But my stuff came, well, I had it sent to my grandmother's house. I ain't gonna talk about our address. My God, I don't know if I post ladies stupid or what. I'm sorry to call people stupid, but if you work for the post office and you work with numbers all day, you should know what place, avenue, street, court, you should know the difference. It's someone with the same exact street, avenue with us. But I'm saying what it is.
The first number.
The address number, but different streets, but the same numbers.
Yeah.
The same street number. Yeah. But it is street and place, avenue, however you call it. They keep getting our mail. They had to bring Shauna her package, but Nicole spent like almost $200 on some perfume for me. We never received it. They said it was delivered. Them people got our stuff. Why they didn't bring my perfume back? I wanted to knock on them people door. Y'all give me my
First of all, it's probably not even the same people. Them people could have just moved them.
But I'm just saying. So what I was saying, I had it delivered to my grandmother's house because she get her mail. We always get our mail there. And it's been at her house, but I have my lip gloss, yes. And she sent me a nice card. That's my boo with flavors. Look at this. Oh, I love her so much.
Smell. It's that stupid hot sauce.
Sorry.
Did you like seasoning salt?
No, I ain't bad, baby. Oh yeah, in this you add garlic, onion, seasoning salt, black pepper, basic. And she has her little card. It's probably going, but she's so beautiful. She's a beautiful person inside and out. And I had got 2 lip gloss. This one's called Flavor Flav. And this one's called Good Girl. Yes, your girl is good. Show no same way. I know I'm talking a lot. I feel like I was drinking a lot of coffee or on some caffeine speed or something. Shauna tearing up her food. She ain't even starting me. I'm just happy to be here today.
Oh.
Y'all gonna see this on Thursday.
Why you always gotta tell them the
Y'all gonna see, cause we want to, boo. Why I can't do what I want?
Of course they know they seeing this on Thursday because I'm posting on Thursday and they gonna be like, oh, today's Thursday.
But to me, today is Wednesday. That's what I'm gonna say. That's why y'all see my lips all glossy. My nose been running because y'all know I've been sick or whatever.
You ain't been sick.
I was sick. So didn't I just have to get my medicine? My nose, I've been coughing. You don't hear me coughing at night? She probably don't. Oh, the conversation today is about driving drunk. And the reason why I thought about it, because Shauna, what night you went out? Monday night. She went out Monday night. And it was like 5 in the morning. And I'm like, I said, Nicole, Shauna home? She's like, she opened the door. She said, no. I got scared. My heart started racing. I said, oh my God, let me call her. Shauna, the phone rung on the first one she answered. I be feeling so good when I hear that voice. And I say, Shauna, what happened? Oh, Mom, she was all bubbly and happy. I'm like, okay, she's safe, she's good. Oh, we ain't going nowhere. We sitting here for, what you said, Shauna? Like you said.
Everybody leave. Because everybody was like rushing out
and drunk.
Yeah.
Tell the story about why you told me y'all didn't move.
We saw a man get in the car. His friend had to help him walk to the car. He was so drunk and just put him in the car
and let him drive.
He drove off.
So they waiting for all the people that just don't care about people's lives, because you can't care about people's lives if you drinking and get behind the wheel. And I'm happy that she's so smart and use her common sense, because me growing up 16, 17 clubbing, we did not use our common sense. This was in the late 90s. I was 16, 17. We was drunker than a skunk. No, we ain't supposed to have been drinking. But my cousin, she was 21. I think I was 17. She used to drive. We used to be tore up. I mean, tore up. We used to say to ourselves, how did we get home? We clubbed Monday through Sunday. I had my time of clubbing. But I know a lot of people, not a lot, some people drove drunk and they understand this. And we were the most stupidest people on earth to jeopardize people's lives, because we could have killed them, ourselves, and anybody. So that drinking and driving is silly. So y'all be careful during these holidays. People, I don't know, they happy, they want to hop behind the wheel, they drunk. Please don't do it. It might just be your last time ever drinking. I'm not even eating. This spaghetti is so good.
You shouldn't even be enjoying it right now.
Yeah, y'all, she brought all the products, but guess who sat there and slaved over the stove and cooked it? She said, Mom, what you say, Mom? You don't want none. You don't even get none because I paid for it. This girl be so mean sometimes. And look how you looking. You look like Janet Jackson goodness with that hair. Control. How she doing? Control. She had on hair. I know. Sorry.
I keep tasting soap.
You don't taste no soap.
I swear.
Because I rinse them things out and wash them.
Every time. No, everything yesterday is either bacon or I just like soap.
Maybe it is the bacon. I don't know.
What? Either the bacon or the hot dogs. It's like soap.
And y'all say I want to eat hot dogs no more. But hot dogs in this, you fry the bacon up and cut it up. Slice the hot dogs, fry the hot dogs.
I don't like hot dogs.
But she'll eat it like this. It's like fried, crispy. It is so good. This is a good meal. And it's dry. So it's just tomato paste. You don't use spaghetti sauce. And we always call it Haitian spaghetti. They eat this for breakfast. I said that, Sean? Mm-hmm. They eat this for breakfast. Was it breakfast for us?
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Sure.
Look at a menu at a Haitian restaurant. Mm-hmm. This is so good. Tan it up. Whew. This is delicious.
I'll go back to work tomorrow.
You ready?
Mm-hmm, to get it over with.
Y'all, this is one of her favorite meals. Mm-hmm. One of her favorite meals. Mm-mm-mm. Ooh, this is spicy with this hot sauce. This is delicious. What the... You happy to be back in front of the camera, Seanna?
I guess, yeah.
I love it. I'm spitting everywhere. Oh, God. I spit on you? Oh, God. I'm going to wipe you off. Sorry, y'all. God, I don't know why I'm spitting. What?
I think this is like good, bro.
You spitting?
I be drooling. I be spitting. I don't know why I hold.
When you start laughing, you sure be spitting. She'll come on me and start laughing. Shauna, why you spitting on me?
You know you lying.
I know I'm not lying.
But I don't know. I be holding a lot of spit in my mouth. I think it's because of
I don't hold spit in my mouth. I think because of my tongue ring too. Yeah, your tongue ring be. It's like. What I was saying, I forgot. I forgot what I was saying. Look at all the goodness in there. I love the dry spaghetti taste.
Sometimes I remember to swallow or something. I don't know. I don't want to be sitting on hay.
You need to go to the hospital.
That's embarrassing.
If you're on a date or something. Mm-hmm. What the hot dog sitting in your hair? Y'all, we having too much fun. Oh yeah, what I was saying is like these videos are memories, and I love it. We always gonna have memories, as long as you two gonna take the whole thing down. No, all the videos gone.
I'm like not deleting my computer.
Huh? You do delete them. I don't think we should delete them. We need to get a car and save all of them.
What? Mom, leave me alone.
Excuse me. But you never know. They own all this.
Well, yeah, people do buy a lot of memory cards and just keep switching, but I don't do that. I just delete it off the camera.
Yeah, she deleted, but one day they could just and then shut down. No more videos, and how you gonna ever get them again?
Well,
we ain't even got videos on Facebook or nothing. Oh, tell Mike to leave you alone.
Mom, come on now, don't say names because that.
I just make up names.
I gotta delete that.
No.
Yeah, I don't know nobody named Mike.
I made it up. I'm busting your messing your hustle up. It do have a texture of soap. So
I got was going crazy. I don't know why it tastes like soap.
that's just the flavor of the food. Maybe it's the seasoning. I don't know.
You did something wrong this time.
It's good.
It was better last time.
That's good this time. You put a little seasoning on.
Way in the water.
Oh no. Go with these church songs. Drink a little walk.
Get you in the water. I don't know. Something be coming to my head.
Water even tastes soapy. I'm going crazy.
Somebody put a curse on us, man. Every time we eat food, they like soap.
Oh, ain't nobody put no curse on them. I'm gonna put it back on them. What the devil?
No, come on.
I'm eating a little more. I'm getting full. We about to close this side.
Mm-hmm.
This was a great little show, baby. I was happy to have you on here.
Mm-hmm.
So happy to have you. We need guests.
No, we don't.
Oh, there she go with her, what you call it? She's so, what you call it, Sean?
I don't know.
She don't like to share nothing. There goes some meat right here, Sean. You had got more, Sean?
No.
Oh, that's for you. Eat
That's,
it.
I don't like people being around my mama.
Shauna.
That's my mama.
But I say all of us, you can even do the show with friends. Why your friends can't come on, y'all do a show and laugh together? I know I can't put young kids because I tried that. They turn the comments off.
Oh, God.
Be trying to show up family. Girl, you gonna have so much, the bugs gonna be eating your hair. You got help, you got stuff still. Oh my
I'm
God.
taking this wig off because I already out.
But you gotta wash it.
I ain't watching that.
So you gonna have bugs just sitting there eating in your, well, we don't have bugs, but I'm just saying.
No.
But it'll bring them.
Well,
Got a little more, I'm getting full.
I'm starting to get a neck bag.
What is a neck bag?
I'm doing my neck bag.
Oh, I thought it was calling your neck a back. All right, Lord. I got a fat neck.
I'm starting to look sick.
Mm-mm. Okay, I'm done. You done, Mama?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you. You gotta make sure you wash your teeth because
Why? You the only person that gotta wipe your teeth. Everything stick on there like glue.
yeah, it's just so smooth. I want my braces back, y'all.
And what you want me straighten? Your gums?
This.
They take T5?
No, my face is not gonna be flat.
Oh yeah, you ain't gonna be around it. You gonna look weird. Yeah, you might take away your features. You might look like a skeleton.
I'm not doing that.
You ready to close it out, boo?
Yeah, Mom.
Okay, you head down. You got the fork in your hands.
Trying to get these crumbs.
My nose itching. It's allergies.
Giving
It's
me
everything.
anxiety.
Excuse me. Sorry, y'all. My nose itch. We're gonna close this out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, beep, so you can be notified when we upload these videos. Until next time, Munchie loves, keep loving yourself. I love you. Mwah. Seanna, say bye.
Oh shoot, yeah, bye.
She got a hotline. I can't.
Stop saying, Mom.
It's okay to have a hotline. Hotline bling bling. Hotline bling bling. Mwah.